we're going to talk about how to solve trigonometric equations.
We chose trigonometric equations because we use them to solve real-life problems, like finding the angle of elevation or the distance of the height of objects from a certain distance.
The reason why you should learn trigonometric equations is because it may solve some real-world problems. For example, the other day, I got my frisbee stuck in the tree. So I had to find a ladder that was the same height of the tree, so I can actually get it.
We can find the height of this tree using trigonometric equations, in which that we can use the parts that are given to us, such as the distance from Taylor to the tree and Taylor to the frisbee. You can also use those distances to help you find the angle of elevation, which will help you find the height of the tree.
Well, before we find out what the height of the tree is, we need to learn how to solve these trigonometric equations.
Okay. Today we're going to teach you how to solve trigonometric equations. So first we have 3 tan squared x minus 1 is equal to 0. So now you can add 1 to both sides, okay, and you get 3 tan squared x is equal to 1. Alright, and now you can divide 3 on both sides and get tan squared x is equal to 1/3. Now you can square root both sides, and remember to have the plus or minus. Now we can take the arctan of both sides Okay, and then you get x is equal to pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6.
Let's start with this equation. Cos cubed x is equal to cos x. You will factor out a cos x, and then that will leave us with cos squared x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then you can use the zero product property and say cos x is equal to 0 and cos squared x minus 1 is equal to 0, which will give you x is equal to arc cos of 0 and x is equal to arc cos of plus or minus 1. X is equal to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, and x is equal to 0 and pi.
We are trying to find the height of the tree so we can help Taylor get his frisbee back. Alright, so here we have the tree, and Taylor is 10 feet away from the tree, and the distance between Taylor and the tree is 50 feet. And this is Taylor. So in order to find the height, first we have to find the angle of elevation from Taylor to the tree, which we can find this using cosine of x equals 10 over 50, and then you find the arccos of this using calculators. So 10 divided by 50. So you get the angle of elevation would be 78.5 approximately. And now you can find the height of the tree using this equation of sine 78.5 equals to h over 50. And now you multiply 50 on both sides, and you should get h is equal to 50 sine 78.5, which is 48.99, which is approximately 50 feet. And yeah.
And that is the height of the ladder that we're going to have to buy.